How's it guys, Kevin here. As promised, here's my video about the untethered jailbreak using sn0wbreeze on iOS 4.2.1. Basically this can jailbreak any iDevice running iOS 4.2.1, including the iPhone 4, iPhone 3GS, the iPhone 3G, iPod Touch 4th Gen, 3rd Gen, 2nd Gen, and the iPad. Okay, let's get started. First you're going to need to download 3 different things. You're going to need sn0wbreeze, 2.2.1 is the latest version at this current moment. You need the original firmware for your device running 4.2.1, and you're going to need iREB to put your device into a jailbroken state. RC3 is the newest one as well. First thing you want to do is launch up sn0wbreeze. On here, you're just going to click OK, and you click Close Credits. And you're going to click the next button in the bottom right corner here. Then you're going to browse for your .ipsw file, and you're going to select your restore file for 4.2.1. You're going to click Open. It's going to identify the ipsw file, and it's going to then tell you when it's done. It will also tell you what device you have and if it's a solid .ipsw file. So sn0wbreeze has just verified the file, and as you can see it says iPhone 4 4.2.1 ipsw. So now what we're going to do is we're going to click the next arrow in the bottom right hand corner. Now you're going to get 3 modes you can pick from. You get baseband preservation mode, and basically let's say you're on iOS 4.0.1 and you have the unlockable baseband. This will allow you to upgrade to 4.2.1 but keep your unlockable baseband. Then you get simple mode, the one we're going to use today. This just jailbreaks and installs Cydia and the basics that you'll need. Then you get expert mode. It has a lot more advanced features, things like you can edit your Cydia, add pre-add sources and pre-install applications, but it's a lot more complicated. So what we're going to do, we're going to take simple mode and just click the arrow, and then you carry on. Next is going to ask you if you want to activate your phone. Basically this will just activate the iPhone without actually accessing Apple servers. So if you want to unlock, you have to do this, and if you don't have an original SIM, or if you just want to use your iPhone as a very expensive iPod because you're on a high baseband and you cannot unlock now yet, then you click yes. But for now I don't need it, so I'm just going to click no. I'm going to carry on like that. It will then start creating the custom ipsw, and if you want you can choose to play Pac-Man, but like I said, you need to have a flash player. I'll be back when that's done. Okay guys, so sn0wbreeze has just finished creating the .ipsw file. Now it's going to ask you to click OK, and you can follow instructions to enter DFU mode. But we're not going to use sn0wbreeze to enter DFU mode, we're going to use iREB because it's a little more stable and it's just easier for you guys. So what you're going to do is you're going to close sn0wbreeze. You're then going to go to iREB, launch this one, and then from the screen that pops up, you're going to select your device. So I'm going to select iPhone 4. And now you're going to see on your screen exactly what I'm doing on my iPhone. It's going to tell you to hold the home and power button. So prepare, it's going to do in 5 seconds. And I'm going to hold them both until that timer reaches 0. Then when that timer reaches 0, you're going to let go of the power button and just keep holding the home button. Now it's going to search for an iPhone in DFU mode, or an iDevice in DFU mode. And once it's done that, it's going to exploit it. There we go, exploiting with Limerine. Now if you'll see on your device, the screen should be black. And then that message will pop up, and that means you're good to restore. So what you do is you click OK, wait for sn0wbreeze to finish cleaning up, and you can close it. Then if you go to your desktop, you'll see a new file there. That is a new sn0wbreeze file that's created, your custom .ipsw file. So now we're going to launch iTunes, and it's going to give you a message saying it's detected a phone in restore mode. Once that starts up, then you say check. It will connect to its online servers and check what phone is plugged in or what device is plugged in. And then click OK. It's telling you your phone's in recovery mode. You have to restore. You're then going to hold Shift and click on Restore. Then what you're going to do is go to your desktop where it's saved, and you go scroll down to where your custom.ipsw file is, and you're going to click Open. It's going to say, are you sure you want to restore? You then say Restore. It's then going to extract the .ipsw file, and I'll be back when it begins restoring. Okay guys, my iPhone is just rebooted now. As you can see the sn0wbreeze logo, the sn0wbreeze snowflake on the screen. That means it's restoring with a sn0wbreeze.ipsw file. That status bar should begin moving soon, as iTunes is just verifying the .ipsw file, making sure it's the latest version with their servers. And I'll be back when that's finished restoring. Okay, so guys, the restore is just finished. See on the device status bar is to the end, and there we go. Your iPhone has been restored. Now what you're going to do is you're going to wait for to show up in iTunes. Then you're going to set it up as a new device. See normal Apple logo. You can go download a program called Animate. and this can give you animated boot logos if you want, because this is using the green poison jailbreak, so it's basically the same thing, just I like to do a restore. And after a while, see that show up on your device. That little status bar will go through very quickly. That's just basically, I don't know what that's doing, but it'll do its thing. The devs are geniuses. And then if you're watching your iTunes, your device should pop up soon. Connect to iTunes logo. Yeah, we all hate that logo, but there we go. It's now connecting to iTunes, and my computer reads it. It's now accessing the iTunes store, so that download a few files about the phone, and then it's going to ask you if you want to restore the phone from a backup, or if you want to set up as new. Now, I don't know what you guys do in your country, but in my country we have to update settings every time it installs. I just click update. It's no big deal. It just updates some carrier settings. You click OK. That's going to ask you restore from backup or set up as new iPhone. I like to set up as a new iPhone. Do not restore as a backup. It can tamper with your jailbreak. And you click next. You can then change the name of your device. So I'm going to make it Kevin's iPhone. Then it's not going to sync anything for now, just to make the jailbreak a little quicker. And you click done, and that's going to set up your device as new. And then let it sync. And once it's done syncing, you have a fully jailbroken iPhone. And if you click to activate, it will also be activated, and you can use it straight away. See, my iPhone was activated immediately, but like I said, you guys might need to unlock. Let this do its thing quickly. So it's just finished syncing with iTunes now. Now we're going to slide to unlock, and then we're going to see it's going to throw you 2 stupid warnings. And let's just go turn the brightness up quickly so you guys can see a little better. And if we go to General, About, there we go. We have iOS 4.2.1. Then if we go to Springboard, there we have Cydia installed already. Click on Cydia. That launches like normal. Let that connect. Pick user typically. I like to pick hacker. And there we go. Have your whole thing done. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And that's basically how to jailbreak your iPhone using sn0wbreeze on 4.2.1. Yes, this is an untethered jailbreak. And yeah, enjoy guys.